Hi guys, welcome back to Lunar Exemplary video update. Okay, so 3 additional days are passed on to close this week after week candle at the present time. Furthermore, the way we're going to close the candle will be fascinating on the grounds that as a matter of some importance, you're really descending here and you nearly are making a sledge. Not too far off. Furthermore, I will provide you with a reference of a sledge. So we should take out Google and mallet flame example and you can see that the sledge looks something like this. Alright, so where you have a light that seems to be a mallet. Alright, that is the thing you really do have thereabouts. So, hammer is framing up and this has 3 additional days to close, yet sadly truly no help where the sledge is being made. In the event that I bring the EMS are above here so perhaps you know, who knows, it can really siphon back up. Yet I don't expect to siphon back up in light of the fact that, sadly, this was a downtrend. Move sideways, break to the drawback, and we're going to move even somewhat more lower. Okay, so something lets me know that this was possibly an Elliott wave hypothesis of a downtrend, since, supposing that you take a gander at it, we have the primary wave, second, 33% one, which is really the biggest one coincidentally. Furthermore, that is being the 4th one. The 5th one grounds to the drawback for the 5th wave, alright, any place this is. And afterward from here we will be trailed by the, you know, exactly a few B and afterward some C rectification, perhaps move to the potential gain too. So very soon enough, we could begin having some benefit. An example framing R for Luna Exemplary. It probably won't be just about as awful as I've been for this past. How long? Incidentally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. We're discussing 3 months of me being terrible. Individuals didn't maintain that I should be terrible for the coin. You didn't expect me that I will express terrible things for quite some time straight, yet tragically that is the manner by which the exchanging works here. I told you, I gave you the reference. For distinct sort of a dealer, hawker, intraday day exchange, swing exchange endlessly position. Dealer nearly makes it 5, in any case. Furthermore, indeed this was just a swing to the potential gain, swing to the potential gain, swing to the disadvantage, ideally swing again to the potential gain. Furthermore, where I was negative for like 4 to 5, sorry for the following 3 months, I could be positive for the following 5 months. So who knows whether the market looks great? In any case, I let you know yesterday something truly alarms me about Luna Exemplary, and that is on the month-to-month time period that assuming we drop this month right down to 10,000 we will be making a 3 dark crows. Presently the main thing that I call that I might want to see about Luna Exemplary as of now is to make a bullish calfskin base and I will show you what that looks like. So how about we happen to bullish cowhide base not too far off? What's more, I don't figure January will be the month that really siphons. So this is the very thing that I need to see. Alright, 1233 dark crows, right. You have this helpline and you get an upset mallet. So fundamentally it would be something to be thankful for to really drop the entire way to 10,000 this month, and in January you sit idle however you make an altered mallet like that. Furthermore, when you make that rearranged hammer, February will be the characterizing month, similar to the decision time. Fundamentally, that is the very thing I need to say. Furthermore, what I mean by the decision time is that would you say you will persuade February to be this green? Since, supposing that's what that it does, you can see that that is a passage. Despite the fact that my buy was down here, I'm now in benefit. So it goes up, alright. So February comes in and it pushes to the potential gain like that and you have your base right. However, that is all there is to it. Alright. And afterwards you proceed to the following specialized targets, perhaps 86,000, and that would be an astonishing exchange assuming we're discussing 670% move to the potential gain, which is very great. So for swing exchange and in swing exchange that can occur. So January exhausting, yet February characterizing time. The most dire outcome imaginable will be that you make that rearranged hammer not too far off the market actually looks awful. Sadly, and you simply drop to the disadvantage back. Test this line. And afterwards you will be hoping to move to this low of 4,168, so it must be an exchange in like manner. So fundamentally, to save yourself, do the gamble the executives, and that is the reason I'm recommending you folks to join my signs. You see consistently on transferring and letting you know the market live. In a text structure, on the signs, I'm letting you know that what's happening, what I'm expecting. You don't need to scratch your head like what's happening. You get, little sneak looks to a great extent that, gracious, Bitcoin will do this, we will do that and various stuff, correct? Furthermore, assuming I will exchange there, you will know goodness, how much gamble aboard. Doing it will be appropriately all around determined. Everything is determined here to make it incredibly protected to exchange the actual coin, so that on the off chance that you lose this exchange here, essentially you're not losing an immense pack of cash. What's more, the most that I lose is like 2% at max, alright? Also, I could lose 2%. At 10,000, assuming it goes to 4,000, we are now 7, saving further 60%. So that is essentially it for this 100 Luna exemplary. Do look at, ponder the signs, and finishing off with the following 8 days for the entries is about. It will nearby the month's end, and I will see the following one in the workplace.